ready to ditch cable and catch every touchdown, tackle, and turnover on your Firestick. First things first, make sure your Firestick is properly connected to your TV and powered on. Navigate to the home screen using your Firestick remote. Now, let's explore your streaming options. The most direct route is through sports apps like ESPN. Search for ESPN in the Firestick App Store using the search icon, usually represented by a magnifying glass. Select the ESPN app and hit download. Once installed, open the app. You'll likely need to log in with your existing ESPN account credentials, which might require a cable subscription or an ESPN subscription. Alternatively, consider live TV streaming services such as Hulu Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV. These apps offer a wide range of channels, including ESPN, Fox, and other networks that broadcast college football games. Search for your preferred streaming service in the App Store. Download and install your chosen streaming service. You'll need to sign up for a subscription if you don't already have one. This usually involves creating an account and providing payment information. Once logged in, navigate to the Live TV section and find the channel broadcasting the game you want to watch. Remember to check your local listings to confirm which channels are carrying specific games in your area. For optimal viewing, adjust your Firestick's video settings. Go to Settings, then Display and Sounds, and then Display. Make sure your resolution is set to the highest available option, like 108p or 4K, if your TV supports it. This will ensure the best possible picture quality. Finally, don't forget about the voice search feature. Simply press the microphone button on your remote and say the name of the team you want to watch or the channel the game is on. The Firestick will automatically search for available options. Now you are all set for the best college football experience.